Although I've left the PlayStation 3 aside for years, Sony still continues to release some occasional updates for the console. This happened again in February 2024 when the company rolled out Update 4.91. This time, it didn't just bring stability improvements that marked previous updates. While they certainly are present in the official description of the new contents, the update is also important for those who use the console to access Blu-ray disc content. According to the company, the update's main objective is to renew the encryption keys used in its disk drive. Without them, the PlayStation may lose its ability to play movies and even physical media sold by the company. But attention, friends! If you only use original games on your locked console and the original system, there's no problem in updating if you wish. However, if you use CFW or HAN, updating will cause you to lose the system modification, and you should wait until they are properly updated. If you've updated, do not resort to alternative methods to recover the system modification. In alternative methods, you may put your console at risk and lose it, so only trust official developers from the scene and not any method. The tip from this video is, if you haven't updated to 4.91, don't update. It would be ideal to wait a few more days until Sony officially pronounces, or until they release a corrected update. Unfortunately, this update has caused headaches for some users. In less than 24 hours, some problems with 4.91 have been reported. For example, the error 8002F334. The update gets stuck in an infinite loop, doesn't complete the processes, and doesn't allow reverting to the previous version. 48 hours after the release of Update 4.91, more user reports with problems in this update emerged. This time the error was 80010514, which prevents the disk drive from recognizing games on physical media. In addition to these more common errors, other problems have also been reported, such as distorted images and screen information, and problems with image display. In the browser and in search, the keyboard doesn't appear. How to solve these errors? To resolve the error 8002F334, it will be necessary to format the internal HDD of the PS3 to recover the system. But remember that formatting the internal hard drive of the PS3 will erase all data stored on it. Now for those facing problems with image display, which mainly happens to those using older TVs, you'll need to use the 480p resolution, at least until the error is fixed. Access video output settings. Then custom. Uncheck both resolutions, 1080 and 720, and leave only 480. After that, select the screen ratio in 4:3 and confirm. As for the other errors reported by users, they will only be fixed in a possible new update. But it's important to remember that not all errors occurred for those who updated the system to 4.91. According to the update history shared by Sony, Update 4.91 is the first to bring substantial changes to the console since 4.89. Released in May 2022, it changed the way logging into the PlayStation Network is done, now requiring account management to be done via PC or using a newer console. At the same time, the company also removed from PlayStation 3 the ability to transfer downloaded games from its memory to the PlayStation Vita. With this, the handheld console lost the ability to run some games like the first Metal Gear Solid and its version for the original PlayStation. In 2021, Sony announced its intention to close its content store for the old console, but reversed course after player protests. However, since then, it has made every effort to make this process difficult, which currently can only be done using the console itself and credits that have already been added to your PSN account. Leave your comment if you've updated your PS3 or not, and what your experience was with Update 4.91. Thank you for watching this video, leave your like, and until next time.